Okay, what's up guys, this is Akshay here and let's continue with the next question of our binary uh, what is this bit manipulation playlist. So next question is the Hamming distance. So let's read the question. So the Hamming distance between two integers is the number of the position at which the corresponding bits are different, right? So let's say you have been given x equals to 1 and y equals to 4. The binary representation of 1 is 0001 and 4 as 0100. You can clearly see that the last bit here is different, right? And the third last bit is different, right? And that is why your output here is 2. We need to return the number of places where the corresponding bits are different, right? So what we will do here is we will start traversing from the left hand side, right? And we're gonna need to check while one of the bits what we need to check that if should x greater than 0 or y greater than 0, right? So if any of the number is not greater than 0, right, we need to run our while loop. And how do we check if the current bit is set or not, right? So we can check it as x and 1, right? X and 1. This will give you your current bit is set or not. I will equate it with equals to y and 1, right? If it is not equals to this, then definitely I will say count plus plus, right? Once we have checked our last bit, I need to move to my second last bit, right? So we'll just right shift each and every both x and y, right? So right shift is equals to x equals to x right shift 1, and then y is equals to y right shift by 1 place. You can also write here x is equals to x by 2, both remain same, and similarly for y equals to y by 2. Great. So that is how this question will be solved. So at first it will check x and 1. So at the last position it will check if it is equals to 1 and y and 1. So what is actually happening is, so I'm just doing an AND operator with 1. So rest of the bits will be 0, and since these bits are 0 and we are doing an AND operator, so all these bits will be 0. And since here it is 1 and we are doing an AND operator, so this answer will depend on whatever be it's set or unset in the given number, right? That's how the things are working here. So let us switch back to the code now. Okay, so that is our code in Java. So we'll have a while loop while x greater than 0 or y greater than 0. So if any of the number is greater than 0, then definitely we have to process it, right? Okay, so until and unless both of the number finishes, we need to process the loop. So that's it. We are checking if the last bit, if it is same, then if it is not same, then we answer plus plus. Then again to check the last bit, that's the second last bit. So we are doing one left shift, right? One right shift. Great. That is it. So what would be the time and space complexity? So we are moving till first of all we are doing y equals to y by 2. So it will take log of y, right? And whichever be the maximum, so if x is maximum or y is maximum, then we are going for that loop, right, to whichever is the biggest number. So that is why maximum of log x comma log y. So that is it. So we have got the summation for this Java code. Let us see the C++ code as well. So it's the same as we have done in Java and dry run. Let us wait for the submission. Great. So few last thing, that's my DSL repository where all the submission got pushed. So you can start and fork this repository to get help with the source code. And if you have understood the problem and the solution, so do like, share, and subscribe. Till then, let's meet again in the tomorrow's video of the next question or the next question. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye, and take care, guys.